Hi, this is Jack from Autism Plugged In, and today we're going to take a look at See.Touch.Learn Pro, which I think is a great app, and I'm going to try to teach you how to use the app in addition to showing you how it works. So let's go ahead and launch the app. And I'll go back to the home page. Alright, so here is the home tab for See.Touch.Learn Pro, and you'll see lessons, libraries, community, settings. I'll show you community first because I think it's a cool thing. If you tap community, and if you create a free account, then you can download lessons that other people have created or that have been created by Brain Parade and put for free on here. And there's also top lessons at the top right, so you can see what people have downloaded the most. And you'll understand this more after I show you how the app works. So first, we'll go to lessons and I'll show you what the app does, and then I'll show you how to use the app. So here's lessons. Now here under the All tab, the fun is just a blank folder that I created. This is all of the lessons that you have available on your device, and some of these are preloaded and some of them I created when I was just messing around with it, but I'm gonna pick one that was already created, so cat and dog. And then you'll see you have the option to play or edit the lesson or delete it, and I'm gonna play the lesson just to show you how it works. So it says select the dog, and if I press the speaker on the top left,
Select the dog.
and then I'm going to turn up my volume.
Select the dog.
Then you have to tap the dog, and you can also record your own voice in this, so you don't have to use their synthesized voice. And then next. And you can also go back to a previous exercise. Which one is the dog?
Which one is the dog? Select the one that says woof woof.
And if you pick a wrong answer, it doesn't make you start over anything, it just makes a noise. And then you can pick the right one. And this is an example of you can have kids select more than one answer, so I have to touch all of the dogs. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the app and create these exercises, because I think it's good to know how to use it before you just try to go ahead and make different cards. So if you start with a new app on the home page, you're going to want to first go to libraries. And these are all of the libraries that are already preloaded onto the device that you can get for free, that are created by Brain Parade. And you'll see that it's free and you can download it onto your device. And this is also where you can create your own libraries. And if you create your own library, then you will be able to make your own cards. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to press New Library on the top right. I'll just leave it My Cards. And you can fill in this stuff if you like when you're making your library. And then I'm not going to create a card right now. I'm going to do that later, but I'm going to hit Done. So I've created that library, and I'm going to go back to the home page. And then from there, you want to hit Lessons. And now, you want to make a new lesson by tapping the top right button. And then you can fill in whatever information you want. If they're going to be identifying bugs or letters or numbers, you fill that in. I'm just going to put in something random. And you can choose from basic, intermediate, and advanced for skill level. So maybe you can have 3 different things on the same topic and just have different difficulty levels. pick a lesson type from these, pick a subject, then hit next. So now you're in the new lesson that you've created, and you see you're in exercise 1 over here, and you want to add cards to the exercise first before you add more exercises. So the big text, click here to add cards. And you see in my library, these are blank, so I'll start with maybe my card's 3. You can create your own cards by either creating a photo card or creating a text card. The photo card will just pick a photo and only images, but the text card will be only text. So if you choose that, then you type in whatever you want to show up on the card, and then that'll show up in the box. And let's just make a photo card. Select from the library. Maybe Starburst. And then once you have all the cards that you want in your card section, you want to take that, hold it, tap and hold, and then drag it to the white box. And maybe I'll do another one, create a text card, dog. And drag that here. And then you'll see that's what they are choosing from when they're using the app. And then up top here, the prompt, if you record it, you have to say touch the object, whatever they're touching. And if you're just going to use the synthesized voice, you just type it in here. So I could say touch the dog. And then I would be done with this lesson. I could hit done. And that's one exercise you've created, and you can go and create multiple exercises so that you can have things like the dog shown here. And one last thing I want to show you, the play mode. If you hit that and turn it on, then kids cannot edit these. They won't come up with the edit option, so they can't change what you've done. They can only use the app. So that's See.Touch.Learn Pro. I really like the app, and you can read the full review where I talk more about how to use the app if you just go to the description, and I have a link there. So thanks for watching.